Welcome to Napa Valley, the crown jewel of California's wine country. Today, we're taking you on the ultimate wine tour, an experience you absolutely can't miss. Whether you're a wine aficionado or just looking for a unique way to explore one of the most beautiful places in the world, this tour has something for everyone. Let's get started. Our first stop is a historic vineyard that perfectly blends old-world charm with modern winemaking techniques. As we stroll through the vines, we'll learn about the rich history of Napa Valley, dating back to the 19th century. Don't forget to have your camera ready. The views here are stunning and perfect for capturing that quintessential Napa Valley shot. Next up, we indulge in a curated wine tasting experience. From crisp whites to robust reds, this is your chance to sip on some of the best wines that Napa has to offer. As you enjoy each glass, our guide will share insider tips on how to appreciate the subtle flavors and aromas. Whether you're a seasoned wine enthusiast or a newbie, this is an experience you won't forget. Now it's time to capture some of the most Instagrammable moments of our tour. We'll stop at hidden gems and iconic landmarks, offering breathtaking backdrops for your photos. From lush vineyards to picturesque barrel rooms, you'll have plenty of opportunities to snap the perfect shot. Our journey continues as we visit a boutique winery, known for its unique varietals and intimate atmosphere. This is one of those hidden gems where you can escape the crowds and enjoy a more personal wine tasting experience. The cozy ambiance and friendly staff make this a must-visit spot on our tour. As our tour winds down, we make one final stop at a scenic overlook that offers panoramic views of Napa Valley. It's the perfect place to raise a glass and toast to a day well spent. We'll enjoy one last tasting as we soak in the beauty of the valley below, a moment that will stay with you long after the tour ends. From historic vineyards to hidden gems and Instagram-worthy spots, this tour has it all. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to book your own Napa Valley wine trolley tour, an experience you truly can't miss. While Napa Valley is renowned for its breathtaking vistas and world-class wines, its rich history is equally captivating. Let's delve into the fascinating journey of Napa Valley's wine heritage. Now, let's take a moment to meet the passionate individuals behind the magic of Napa Valley wines. These are the people who transform grapes into the exquisite wines that have made Napa Valley a world-renowned wine region. These winemakers pour their heart and soul into every bottle, blending tradition with innovation to create something truly special. They spend countless hours in the vineyards and cellars, ensuring that each bottle reflects their dedication and expertise. Meet Sarah, a third-generation winemaker whose family has been crafting wines in Napa for over 50 years. Her journey began as a child, learning the ropes from her parents and grandparents, and now she carries on the family legacy with pride. Her dedication to sustainable practices ensures that the vineyard will thrive for generations to come. Sarah believes that taking care of the land is just as important as making great wine, and she implements eco-friendly techniques to maintain the health of the vineyard. Sarah's commitment to quality and sustainability is a testament to the deep-rooted values passed down through her family. She strives to honor her ancestors by producing wines that are not only delicious, but also environmentally responsible. Next, we have Carlos, a visionary winemaker known for his experimental blends. Carlos grew up with a passion for winemaking and has always been fascinated by the endless possibilities of flavor combinations. Carlos believes in pushing the boundaries of traditional winemaking to create unique and unforgettable flavors. He is constantly experimenting with new techniques and ingredients, always seeking to surprise and delight wine lovers. His innovative approach has earned him numerous accolades and a loyal following of wine enthusiasts. Carlos's wines are celebrated for their creativity and boldness, making him a standout in the Napa Valley wine community. Together, these winemakers represent the heart and soul of Napa Valley, each contributing their unique touch to the rich tapestry of the region's wine culture. Their collaboration and shared passion drive the continuous evolution of Napa Valley wines. Their passion and dedication are what make Napa Valley wines truly exceptional. It's their unwavering commitment to excellence that ensures every bottle from Napa Valley is a masterpiece, ready to be enjoyed by wine lovers around the world. Now that we've met the talented winemakers, let's dive into the art of wine pairing. Understanding which wines complement and which foods can elevate your dining experience to new heights. Wine pairing is both an art and a science. The goal is to enhance the flavors of both the wine and the food, creating a harmonious balance. For instance, a robust Cabernet Sauvignon pairs beautifully with a juicy steak, while a crisp Sauvignon Blanc is perfect with fresh seafood. Consider the intensity of flavors. Bold wines go well with hearty dishes, while lighter wines are best paired with more delicate flavors. Don't be afraid to experiment and trust your palate. And remember, the best wine pairing is the one that you enjoy the most. Cheers to discovering your perfect pairings. As we continue our journey through Napa Valley, it's important to highlight the sustainable winemaking practices that are shaping the future of the industry. Many vineyards are now committed to eco-friendly methods, ensuring that their wines are not only delicious, but also kind to the planet. Take, for example, the use of solar panels to power the wineries, reducing their carbon footprint significantly. Additionally, some vineyards employ organic farming techniques, avoiding harmful pesticides and preserving the natural ecosystem. Water conservation is another critical aspect, with innovative irrigation systems that minimize waste and protect this precious resource. By choosing wines from sustainable vineyards, you're supporting practices that are better for the environment and future generations. Cheers to a greener future in winemaking. As we wrap up our journey, let's dive into one of the most exciting aspects of Napa Valley, its vibrant wine festivals. Throughout the year, Napa Valley hosts a variety of wine festivals that celebrate the region's rich winemaking traditions. These wine festivals will greatly enhance your visit to Napa Valley, meeting other wine enthusiasts from all over the world. As we look ahead, Napa Valley continues to be a beacon of innovation in the world of winemaking. This region, known for its rich history and tradition, is now at the forefront of blending time-honored practices with cutting-edge technology. Winemakers are embracing advanced technologies to enhance the quality and sustainability of their wines. From using drones to monitor vineyard health to employing data analytics for precision farming, technology is revolutionizing the way wine is made. Climate change is a challenge, but it's also driving creative solutions like drought-resistant grape varieties and new irrigation techniques. These innovations ensure that Napa Valley can continue to produce world-class wines despite environmental challenges. Sustainability isn't just a trend, it's a commitment. From organic farming to eco-friendly packaging, Napa Valley is leading the way in responsible winemaking. Winemakers are dedicated to reducing their carbon footprint and preserving the natural beauty of the region for future generations. The future of Napa Valley wines is bright, filled with innovation, resilience, and a deep respect for the land. Cheers to the next generation of exceptional wines. As we raise our glasses, we celebrate not just the wine, but the passion and dedication that go into every bottle. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of wine and beyond. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and discovering new places. Remember, every journey is an opportunity to learn and